In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a favicon in Circle. So, favicons are those tiny but mighty icons that you spot on a browser tab, adding a smidge of branding to your presence on the web. Understanding how to personalize this tiny touchpoint can be crucial for establishing a recognizable brand online. So, follow along as we guide you through the steps to create and add a favicon for your Circle.so community. First, open your browser and head to Favicon.io. This is a handy online tool for creating favicons, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Once you're on the site, you'll have the option to either upload your logo or create an icon from scratch. If you have a pre-designed logo, choose the option to upload it here. If not, you have the choice to make a simple design directly on the platform. Keep in mind that your icon should be either 32x32 or 64:4 pixels in size to ensure it displays correctly in browsers. After you're satisfied with your design and have uploaded your logo or created your icon, it's time to download it. You have the option to download it as a .png or .ico file. The format you choose will depend on your need or preference. If you're unsure, ICO is the traditional format used for favicons, so you may want to go with that. Now that you have your favicon file ready, log into your Circle.so admin account. Just a quick tip. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for a seamless transition. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu. There, you will find the branding option. Under this section is where you'll see the favicon option that we need to update. With this selected, click on Upload Image. From here, you'll be able to browse your files and select the favicon you've just created. Click on it and proceed to upload. This process might take a moment, so don't worry if it seems like nothing is happening immediately. After you've uploaded your file, the final and crucial step is to save your changes. And that's it! Your favicon should now be visible on your Circle.so platform, enhancing your branding with that subtle yet impactful change. Remember, a favicon might seem small, but its impact in conveying professionalism and brand identity can be significant, so be sure to take the time to ensure it represents your brand the way you want it to. Thank you for following along this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides. Happy branding, and make sure to check back soon for more insightful tutorials.